We'll give everybody a little walk around of the Mustang. It's an original 1993 Mustang Cobra. Currently 21,500-ish miles. You can see it's actually in really good condition. It's got a couple tiny little chips on it. There's one there. There's one up here on the top. I think there's maybe one more front. It's got a little chip here in the glass somewhere. There it is. You can see a little chip in the glass. That's pretty much it as far as any rock chips or pings. You see the wheels are really nice. Paint, trim. No dings. This is all original paint. No accidents. Clean title. If I showed it back underneath the rear here. Hardtop car. See, the sides are extremely straight. No dings or dents. It's just got a cheap set of Sumitomo tires on it. I have every original part to the car, the original tires, original exhaust. Did have a license plate removed and put the bumper plugs in it. Oh, there's the other chip. You see there's one there and one there. I think there's like 4 total on the hood. I never touched them up. Black interior car. Seats are in excellent shape. I do have the original ashtray door for it and the original shifter. That's an MGW. It has the factory radio in it, which I sent off and had it restored, and it works excellent. These are LMR mats. I have the original mats at the back. That is the original dealer plastic. Factory gauges. Currently 21,579 miles. Towels in the back, because a lot of times when I drive it, I put towels on the seats just to protect them. The gloves do not go with the car, but these are the original factory floor mats. I've never driven with them. Paperwork, the original owner did all the original maintenance himself. Dyno sheet for the car. I think it was 438 horsepower, 432 foot-pounds of torque. The window sticker, the window sticker. This car has the original temp tag, certificate, paperwork, the original paper floor mats from the dealer, and the owner's manual. I am the 4th owner in title. The 3rd owner technically was just put into a father's name. So the original owner had it, sold it to a guy. He went through a divorce, put it in his dad's name, making him the 3rd owner in title. I'm the 4th owner in title, but technically it's only changed hands 3 times. It's a factory short block, factory heads, factory intake, BBK shorty headers, BBK X pipe. These are the ceramic coated headers Vortec V3 supercharger, Anderson power pipe. It's got the SCT 90mm mass airflow sensor. I do have all the original intake, all the original smog, original exhaust, original tailpipes, not cut. They are factory tailpipes. I dropped the axle and removed it properly. Caster camber plates, I have all those. Currently the car has a B cam, the supercharger, caster camber plates, Max Motorsports coilovers in the front, springs all the way around. I have the original radiator. I mean, I have every original nut and bolt off this car. As you can see, it's, like I said, it's extremely clean. I've looked at a lot of 93 Cobras before I bought this one. It has one tiny little, you can't even feel it, but it's like a little scuff right there. As you can see, even the hatch, how clean all the hatches. There is one scuff here on the rear. They would easily buff out, but I never did it just because I didn't want to mess with the car. But that is not through the clear, it's just a little scuff. And there's a little scuff on the front. Right there. And that scuff is into the paint. You can tell it's pretty tiny. There's my fingernail. So I never touched it up. Just wanted the car to be as original as possible as far as exterior and interior, with some performance upgrades. Show you the other side. The other door. All VIN tags are in place. See how clean the door jambs are. I did just wash the car, so there might be a little water. That wire goes to the wideband, which is in the glove box, which is just temporary. I put it in there when we originally tuned the car. It can be slid back out and removed easily. There's a tag. There's a tag. There's a tag. Like I said, I just washed the car. It's just dripping with water. There's a tag. There's a tag. And I think I saw the ones under the hood. So, fender tag, bumper tag. All the original tags in place. And there's a tag on the hood back there. I think that pretty much covered everything. It's probably one of the cleanest 93 Cobras I've seen. That teal in the garage right there has 17,000 miles and 12,000 when I first bought it, and this car is cleaner. It's kind of a long video, but I want people to see exactly what it is. Eliminate all questions and doubt. These taillights are exceptional. All original, all factory. '93 Cobra.